Number 7, out of the 66th, what is it worth? We're just seeing how many sets of 4 because every 4 i's that you have, I times I times I times I, that's just going to be worth 1. And so it sort of starts all over again. So if you have like I to the 6, it's 1 times I squared, which would be -1 value. If you have 3, then be a negative I value. And if you have 4, well, then that's worth 1 and it's worth 1. So we're seeing how many sets of 4 are in 66. So all I'm doing is, hey, how many of these 4s will I have? How many sets am I going to have? Well, 4 goes in 66. 1, 4, 2, 6. 426 goes what? 7? No. 6 times. How many are left over? You have a remainder of 2. So you're going to have a bunch of these, and then you're going to have 2 i's left over. I squared is simply worth what? -1. So this guy is going to be 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times this being worth -1. So you get -1 as an answer. Number 8, again, how many sets? 4 into 73. How many little i's are we going to have left over? Well, 4 goes in 7, 1. Subtract here, I get 3. Bring down my 3. 4 goes in 33. What? 8 times 4, 32. So there's going to be 18 of these, 18 sets, which that's every 4 worth 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm going to have 1 little I left over. So this is simply worth a single I there because it tells me if you have just 1 I left over, it's the same as the square root of -1, which is just an I. 101. Well, it's going to be a lot of them. But how many times does it go in there? Well, we should see 25 with what? A remainder of 1, which means it's just an I. So all that ends up simplifying to because you have 25 sets here. Each set of 4 is worth 1, 1, 1 times itself. It's just 1 times an I at the end, 1 little I at the end, and that's what you'll have. So the answer here, I.